My name is Eric Schmutter, and this is my presentation for my argument. Vaccinations are a public trust. My thesis statement is all children should be required by law to get vaccinated. Claims, evidence, and closing. Vaccinations are both safe and effective, according to scientific journals, the Center for Disease Control, and the National Institute of Health. Vaccination is a matter of public safety. It is important for the immunocompromised, and this is not a matter of the First Amendment freedom of religion, nor an instance of government overreach. In conclusion, vaccinations should be mandatory for all people in the United States. Thank you for listening.